Have you ever noticed the blooming of spring flowers? What about the fruits in summer? Have you ever noticed the changing of color of fall leaves? What about the shortened days of winter? If you answered yes to any of those questions, you have made what is known as a phenological observation. Such observations are useful for citizen science research that occurs in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. In this video, we will define phenology and discuss how you can get involved with the Great Smoky Mountains National Park's Citizen Science Program. But first, what is phenology? Phenology is the study of recurring plant and animal life cycle stages. These stages are referred to as phenophases. A few examples of phenophases in animals could be life events such as mating season, winter dormancy, or migration. In plants, phenophases often include leafing out, flowering, fruiting, and dropping of leaves. The study of phenology is the study of when and how these phenophases occur with respect to the season or time of year in which they happen. The synchronicity of phenophases between species is dependent upon regular climatic conditions. Over millennia, plants and animals have adapted to time particular life events, or phenophases, at beneficial time frames in a given season. For instance, many insects emerge from winter dormancy during springtime when their host plants have leafed out. In turn, many birds time their migration and nesting so that their eggs hatch when insects are at peak abundance. In this way, phenology is not only the study of when life history events in plants and animals occur, but also the study of plant and animal interactions, abundance, and diversity. Due to the importance of timing and synchronized phenophases between species, climate change can be an especially disruptive force. Though climate change has variable effects in a given area, in general, spring events have been occurring earlier and fall events are happening later as a result of climate change. Unfortunately, for our species of interest, not all species have adapted or can adapt their phenophases to compensate for these earlier or later seasons. Though some species might be able to adapt their phenophase timing to a changing climate, climate change causes a fundamental disruption in all ecosystem function. The study of phenology, of how plants and animals adapt to a changing climate, can help us understand the effects of climate change on a given species or ecosystem. In the Great Smoky Mountains National Park, we have over 30 phenology plots which represent a variety of elevation, forest, community, and other relevant parameters for addressing how climate change is affecting the park. In each plot, there are 20 trees that our volunteer teams assess once a week throughout the year. Our phenological study is entirely supported by citizen scientist volunteers. So what is citizen science? Citizen science, or community science, is scientific research performed by non-professional scientist community volunteers. Our volunteers are trained by professional park staff on how to collect and record quality data using the online resource Nature's Notebook. The data collected in Nature's Notebook is analyzed by the park and also goes to the USA National Phenology Network. The USA National Phenology Network is an organization that seeks to enhance and support scientific discovery regarding species and ecosystem responses to changing climate and environmental conditions. The findings of our phenological study go on to inform decisions in natural resource conservation and management, human health, recreation, and land use. If you are interested in making a contribution to science, making a personal connection to your national park, and making a difference, you can become a citizen science volunteer. To learn more about volunteering and gaining experience doing real citizen science research at the Great Smoky Mountains National Park, please contact our science research contact, Paul Super.